What time is it? What time is it?
It's drop time and I was...
It's drop day. It's drop day.
Do not post that on the vlog.
And the scooter. Okay. तो हो गई खांसी?
Yes.
So we're sitting, we're 13 minutes away from the drop and we're still working because the grind never really stops, does it?
It does not. And this vlog where we could have clips of me just... That made it so much funny. Oh, Hariom.
Okay. मैं इसको ना एज अ रील डालूंगा या फिर अगर इस व्लॉग पे भी इफ इट गेट्स 50 लाइक्स तो आई मेक अ सॉन्ग ऑफ ये आवाज आई मेक अ सॉन्ग प्रॉपर ऐसे बीट्स के साथ ये वो मतलब ऑब्वियसली नॉट ऑन FL बट कुछ तो ऐसे मतलब बीट चुरू के ही मतलब किसी की ऑब्वियसली कॉपीराइटेड जो ना हो तो चुराना तो क्या ही है. That's another conversation.
Good.
Ki is information really free?
Can we like work? We're dropping in like
We're law dropping, law dripping. We're law dropping, law dripping. आ रहा है गाना 50 लाइक करो गाना क्रेजी बना दूंगा. एंड अगर कोई कमेंट करके ये भी बता देना कि ऐसे रैप होना चाहिए मतलब बीट कैसी होनी चाहिए कि यार एक तो मेरे को बीट्स नहीं पता कैसी होती है. एक तो ट्रैप बीट होती है ठीक है.
Wow, this is some really useful information for the vlog that viewers definitely want to watch. Like the kind of beats.
गड़ ये करो ठीक है. Okay.
8 minutes to drop.
8 minutes to drop. What are your thoughts?
I can't breathe.
That's great.
I really cannot.
Okay, do you want to show them what do we actually... Arey, Sakura said to it's right there.
Oh yes, and you're wearing
Drop
roll
3.
tops.
Yeah.
Very good. They're beautiful. You guys are gonna love them.
Obviously. I
Obviously.
agree.
I agree also. We've actually had how many orders, like pre-orders for the balaclava? How many people have asked us already? A bunch.
I think that, yeah, obviously. It's like a lot than we actually expected, you know.
Because
That we were really underselling ourselves. Matlab, we knew कि it's a great product, but we did not know कि pre-orders वाला ही.
कि people would actually get what we're trying to do there. And we've had a few comments asking us when we're launching.
आज सुबह ही उस बंदे का मैसेज आया.
And
उसका नाम क्या था? Do you know? But like if that guy is watching तो he knows कि उसने हमें सुबह आज मैसेज करा कि you better drop it करके कि I need that balaclava need caps में. Yes.
We were like, we're gonna have it ASAP actually. Don't you worry.
So we changed the date. We did not do it on as a 1,000 followers.
Yeah.
We're dropping it with our 4th drop.
How much time do we have? Oh my god.
Okay, 6 minutes. 6 minutes.
All
6
the best,
minutes.
all the best,
All the best.
Come
on. I think we're gonna say a prayer.
We are.
Yeah. See you.
Setting products as active.
Okay.
The drop is going live. It is live.
The drop is live.
The drop is live.
Let's fucking go. जाएंगी. अब उस पे हाथ रखना जरा. मैं भी मतलब सारा तो नहीं दिखा रहा तुम्हें. It's been a minute and अब तो we can tell them कि like the shit we went through ये वो went through काम कर लिया. Gen Z. You all actually get my jokes या फिर मतलब तुम बस इसके लिए आते हो and like तुम्हारा हो जाता है हैं?
I don't think
If it's
anyone
the
gets yours.
other way around, let me know. पेरेंट्स को नहीं दिखा सकते ये सारे व्लॉग्स क्योंकि वो तो अपनी
पहले जब हम तुम्हारी उम्र के थे
तो हम नाव से जाते थे स्कूल.
तुम लोगों को तो
राजस्थान में था स्कूल.
That was
खांसी सुन सुन के एक तो 5 दिन से इतना काम है और बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक क्या चला है? घां 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 घां
9/11
2001 अरे
हाँ
क्या
सितंबर डेट क्या थी सितंबर 11 आप उसके 10 दिन बाद पैदा हुए हो
दिस चिक जस्ट आस्क्ड मी 9/11 की डेट क्या थी? She looked it up and कह रही है अरे 9th सितंबर
11 सितंबर
जो आपने 9th बोला है शायद if I'm not the funny one you all know who's the smart one now. Let's be fair, let's be very fair.
This is not going in the footage
This has to
because then it's again the girl is the dumb one. I don't want to have that.
मम्मा तो इतनी impressed. Also I think I like my flowers now.
Flowers for being the best partner in the world.
यार मैं ना नया पार्टनर ढूंढ ही रहा हूँ कुछ क्रेजी करते हैं मेरे को वैसे एक नई इंडस्ट्री पता है जिसमें मेरे को जाना है इसके बाद आई थिंक मतलब आफ्टर दैट ये नहीं बता सकते इन्हें अभी
हाँ वो तो पता है और जोर जोर से बोल दो और क्या मिला आपको
that's my shit brother that's my shit brother
Look here.
अरे पागल बना रहा हूँ मैंने इन्हें क्या पता YouTube देख रहे हैं बैठ के ये डाल दूँ प्लीज ये तो बहुत फनी हो जाएगा यार ये भी डाल दूँ और ये भी
Inception.
दिस गर्ल डज नॉट नो 9/11 कौन सी डेट पे हुआ था बट इंसेप्शन समझ आ रही है इसे
Yes. So, could you please tell the camera what happened?
बिग फक अप हमने सब
Someone.
कोई बात नहीं इट्स ओके सब मैं जैसे कैमरा बंद होगा मैं फिर सुनाऊंगा
Dramatic partners.
इट्स जस्ट कि हमने सब कुछ लाइव कर दिया था ये वो एंड लाइक 20 मिनट बाद व्हेन एवरीवन टेक्स्टेड अस ये वो कि साइज नहीं पता चल रहा ये वो तो साइज ऐड करना साइज नहीं ऐड किया था हमने बेसिकली अब कर दिया है
No worries, no worries.
Bye.
again मतलब I'm glad कि you all are here to see the actual you know journey यार एक तो ये fuck up ना मतलब it's just irritating थोड़ा सा कि like for 20-25 minutes we were like कि अरे what's good and जो वो 20-25 minutes के उसमें orders आए like we saw तो वो पुराने वाले products के थे अरे हाँ give them an IRL fit check अब तो पुराने वाले प्रोडक्ट्स ठीक है जो ऑलरेडी बेस्ट सेलर है उसी को और करते रहो मार्केट जो भी तो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स मैंने तो बहुत बड़ा साइज पहना है बिकॉज आई लाइक इट बैगी बट यू ऑल कैन अच्छा प्रिंट क्वालिटी दिखा रही थोड़ी में लाइक डू यू सी द डिटेलिंग ब्रो
Wow. Wow.
ठीक है do you see this shit
Wow.
We record the new product.
Stunning.
now that you've seen all of this how about we focus on the new drop
Oh, Sakura joggers.
Also, I sized up one because
sized up one
sized up by one.
Will we see the back
but
too?
that just works because the drawstring.
Oh,
that.
SNC. Pink Crocs too.
I'm a Sakura girl through and through, and so can you be a Sakura girl. I just got a customer's message asking what size they should go for. This is one of the people who told us कि size का option ही नहीं आ रहा, so thank you to this person.
If you ever need any help buying from us, all you have to do is text us या फिर नीचे दिए गए WhatsApp नंबर पे कॉल
संपर्क करें.
संपर्क बेटर तो जो भी यार दिस वाज अ फक अप
Also, Bombay, you guys have become our like top customers these days, which I feel.
व्हाट्स अप विद दिल्ली एंड गुड़गांव है
हाँ, but the Bombay was like pleasantly surprising.
बॉम्बे मुंबई
Follower बड़ा है एक by the way.
obviously also we hit like 700 something followers जब लास्ट में हमने व्लॉग डाला था it was at 320
Congratulations.
You've doubled it.
726, 727. You open it, I'll tell the story in the meantime.
No.
So-
I'll. Acha.
Okay, so it came down to two people for us. One of them, he actually went through like all of our drops and like sort of started to like create a story with it, which I really, really liked. So I was sort of leaning towards him as the winner, but then someone just like guessed the actual meaning of what the trailer was.
Done. और ये vlog में भी डाल देंगे. Okay. So you're gonna see how we actually post, because आप लोगों ने stories नहीं डाली मुझे. हम सिखाएंगे.
कुछ पता भी?
YouTube देखो बस.
बैठे हो? Love you. Okay. So we're gonna.
What's up, guys? Dr. Rizai. मेरे को इस एनर्जी में रहना था थोड़ा सा. We're gonna reveal the giveaway winners in about right now. And let's wait. No. Save them.
Also आप apologize कर देना ना. हाँ आपने कहा कुछ गलती करी है
वो
बीच
तो
में.
कर दिया ना.
अरे इस स्टोरी में कर देना ना.
अच्छा. Got it. We'd love to make women apologize.
यार खड़े हो. Bluetooth का है. Call her. Bluetooth का है. Call her. New partner. Call me.
Yeah, because oh my god, I love that.
हाँ कोई नहीं.
Really sorry for the sizing mess up. That one was on me.
Yo, we're gonna reveal the giveaway winner. It's
In about like 5 minutes.
in about 5 minutes. Cool. But we're gonna reveal it ऐसे ही, and you need to text us. Okay, it was really close between two guys, and you need to text us as soon as you see our story. And if you don't, so we'll choose the other one. Make sense?
Yeah. That
Cool.
does.
See you in 5 minutes.
Bye. Really sorry for this.
Amazing.
That's
What's
how
up,
we do it,
content
man.
creator?
Come on. Let me give you guys
A masterclass.
a masterclass.
Yeah. On what?
Communication, gang. Communication.
Gang.
So gang, you oughta.
Ora.
See, oughta. You oughta use.
Any, do you want me to time you on this?
She's from Kolkata, guys. Yes.
I am not. I was
Give me
just
some
born
fish,
there.
yeah?
I was just born there.
See you in 5 minutes.
Bye.
Perfect.
अभी डाल.
Indeed.
ठीक है, अब थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ यार. मैं कुछ सिखा रहा हूं. वो बैठ के बेचारे YouTube देखे जा रहे हैं. ये देखो, तुम.
Over here, partner.
Do you see? She does not let me talk.
No attention span, is it?
I don't let you talk.
Yes.
I don't let you talk. That is correct. Don't let men speak. You should.
क्या बाइबल वर्स बता रही है उन्हें?
Hello. No point in saying hello because we were here just a minute ago.
Yeah. So the giveaway winner is Shrav.fr. For
Shrav
real.
for real.
Shrav for
He's
real.
tagged here. Shrav, please reach out to us so that we can send the drop your way.
Yeah. So no fake giveaways like
Certainly.
certain
Jerry.
brands. Okay, cool. That's funny. But like we don't know this guy. Whoever you are, just reach out to us, and the drop is yours.
Yeah, you were surprisingly. You were a bit like you were the closest.
Yeah,
to the
you were
story.
not completely right, but like I appreciate you.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, lovely stuff.
Also, you need to be an existing customer to win a giveaway. I'm fucking around. I'm fucking around.
You've
Cool,
won.
man. You've won. Thank you so much for being a part of this. And yeah,
Love you guys.
see you.
Amazing. Masterclass, is it now?
You need to wing it. You need to wing shit. ठीक है? The thing is, देख रहे हो अभी I have y'all's attention. Why? Powerful man. How do you reach that? Gym. Drop 4 बहुत crazy हो गया, बहुत ही crazy, and I'm just so glad this girl, bruh, इसने इतना crazy काम करा है. I really appreciate you so much because you went through all of the drops.
Exactly.
You knew सबके नाम, चाहे मतलब you took out 10 minutes for us, but still I think we're gonna send him something.
Yeah, you also
We,
get to have something.
we won't send you the whole drop, but like since you went through all of our drops, ye wo.
And I love the story that you made with it because
Yes,
it was yeah.
that also made sense. It was
Yes.
not what we were going for, but silly boy karke
Yes,
we'll tag you and silly cartel bhi to
Oh,
see,
wow,
made for us.
Yeah.
Made for us, नहीं made for each other. Jo bhi, I really appreciate you, man. And we're gonna send you something.
Yes.
You need to text us अपना address वगैरह ये वो जो भी. We'll send you
Oh, we
something.
just got an order.
हाँ यार दोनों phones पे record हो रहा है. Order कैसे दिखाऊँ?
Anyway, silly boy, reach out to us.
This is gonna be one of those edits in like an year. ठीक है, I'm genuinely putting it out in the universe. If you know fashion, तो like you know, and fashion may be like streetwear, not like proper haute couture. If you know Stussy, Babe, Supreme, ये वो, like giant, like $1 billion corporations, that is what I'm going for. And I know that sounds like a very big dream to you guys or like whatever, but that is what I'm aiming for. And like within a year, you'll see.
We believe in you.
You'll see why you're a part of the vision.
Yeah.
एक बार इधर आओ.
Yes.
What are we trying to build? Like if you had to name like a few brands.
Come sit here.
Okay, so my personal favorite, obviously, someone I'm a huge fan of, Stussy. Stussy, Chrome Hearts, Babe, Supreme, you get it. Right?
Fuck, मैंने Chrome Hearts नहीं बोला, bro. I will.
He wants to swim in Chrome Hearts.
Yes.
So the day that we do SCX Chrome Hearts is the day that he is going to attain
Manifesting
salvation.
that shit right now. 17th April. ठीक है, 17th April. Sorry, देखा नहीं क्या? 17th April 2025.
डेट ही नहीं दिख रही है, पता नहीं क्यों.
कोई नहीं 17th April 2025 जहाँ पे we're just putting out our 4th drop. I will get a collab with Chrome Hearts S.
Definitely.
Chrome Hearts SC, like that's gonna be crazy. And Chrome Hearts
ब्रांड जो एक उन्होंने जेवॉन्टा या जेवॉन्टो डेविस के साथ कोलैब नहीं करा. ये लाइक यूएसए फाइटर जो who's like dripped out in Chrome Hearts, ठीक है. But like
I promise you guys, मतलब
You know what I want to do? I want to get the entire international Stussy tribe.
it will not a random जो तुम्हारे दोस्त ने टी-शर्ट प्रिंटिंग का काम खोल लिया है, स्ट्रीट वेयर हो गया है.
हर टी-शर्ट में बड़े हैं ट्राइबल डिजाइन्स बने हुए
हाँ मतलब ट्राइबल डिजाइन डाल दिए या जर्सी बना दी, नंबर लिख दिया. दिस इज नॉट वन ऑफ
या
दोस
फिर
ब्रांड्स.
किसी आर्टिस्ट का एल्बम कवर लेके उसे सैचुरेट कर दिया
Oh,
एंड
Playboy Carti, oh my god.
या नो
Dick riding.
You've never listened to Carti. Shut the fuck up.
ओके यू आर एंग्री
This is not one of those brands. That's what I'm trying to build. I hope you guys get the vision. If you don't, eventually you will. Abhi, you might not like SC that much. Give it some time. मतलब एक साल बाद you're gonna be like, oh fuck, he actually did that in front of our eyes. Not just me, मतलब Suryanshi too. It was fun, and I'm glad you guys like it. And yeah, thanks for being a part of the vision.
कोई आता है स्टूडियो नहीं 9-1 या करते नहीं मुँह चोदी मोटी है गड्डी बहुत नोटों की उठा हूँ लेटी.
Zepto's coffee only because
बस ब्लू टोकाई का आप अपनी स्टोरीज पे करो, हमें
तो मैं
समझ.
कर ही रही हूँ. I'm obsessed. वो अपनी DM कभी खोले तो पता लगे उन्हें कि how many times I've done this.
का कॉल आ रहा है, करता हूँ तुम लोगों से बात. Gang, there's a reason I design shit. हाँ, सी आप ये कर रहे हो 40 बार से.
Why are you constantly trying to like not get me cancelled in our vlogs?
वो मेरा बिजनेस है ना साथ में. आप यस मेरे कान में टेक्स्ट करो.
Zepto coffee is getting more footage than either of us.
Footage? Are you 50 years old? Our parents don't call it footage. You know.
you know, I don't know.
बताओ उन्हें सारा बताओ. ये मेरे स्टार्ट्स देखो तुम. जितना आज तक हमने जो भी करा है ना, एक्सपेंसेस और रेवेन्यू शीट का लिंक मैं दे दूंगा नीचे.
Bluetooth है. Hit me up, Karan. What's up?
हिप मी अप. 50 साल होने के बाद हिप मी अप. ये तुम ये सब क्यों देख रहे हो? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, हम तो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. जब से ड्रॉप 4 आया ना हमारा, एक्चुअली सैनिटी ना, सैनिटी
Okay, time for us to. Wait, someone from JNK is watching us.
watching
Yes.
washing us. Someone from JNK is washing us.